David. We haven't done a video in a while. How has COVID-19 affected Experimax West Houston?
That's a great question. We've actually been open throughout the duration of this COVID-19 situation. We were an exempt business in the categories of IT and communications, so we were allowed to remain open. We did do a lot of work in keeping the stores sanitized, wiping them down several times a day, asking people to wear masks when they come in. We still wear our masks every day when customers are in the store. This is my mask my wife bought me. And so we're still practicing social distancing and safe practices. We require people to wear a mask when they come in the store because the situation really isn't behind us just yet. But we are open. We've had met a lot of new people who found us because other options were closed to them. So we've been fixing computers, phones, tablets, selling computers and tablets so people can work and school from home. And so we're very thankful to the people that have trusted us with their equipment during this time, and we hope they continue to see us now that the businesses are opening back up. We are still here. We are still your local source for all things Apple. So come and see us at Experimax West Houston, and thank you very much, and please be safe.
Where is Experimax West Houston?
We're on the Katy Freeway between Bunker Hill and Gessner, across from Memorial City Mall. Come and see us.